to Stitch in Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Amy Navarro, and I am excited today to share with you one of our Block of the Months that is starting in June 2024. The name of this Block of the Month program is Wanderer's Wife. It is designed by Jen Kingwell, and you know her stuff is very scrappy, but it comes together beautifully. So I'm going to show you what's going to come in your month one package and go over some details with you, okay? So this is, again, Wanderer's Wife by Jen Kingwell, and it's going to finish at 59 inches by 65 inches when you're completed with the quilt top. Our program does include backing, so you're just going to need your batting to finish it up and quilt it together, okay? Here's your pattern, and it is done in a beautiful book form, completed there. You're going to open this guy up. Gives you a picture of the quilt when it's finished on the inside cover, and gives you a little introduction here with Jen and her links if you want to follow along with her. So you're going to start here on your month one, and you can see we have these things labeled. This is the color wheel. Color wheel makes it very easy to follow along. On your next page, perishing. We label your package perishing, so you know exactly which fabrics are going to go with which instruction. Makes it super easy, okay? It's going to continue on like that for the rest of your book. Shows you here the blocks in the middle with the colorful page, and we'll label those each month as you get them to make it super easy for you, okay? So along with your fabrics, your instruction booklet, we also include this beautiful welcome letter. Gives you some basic information here on the front of it. Tells you when it's going to bill out, how long the program is, any other information you're going to need is going to be on the inside. We also give you a beautiful finished picture there, so you can keep this as a keepsake if you'd like. And we include our links. So we have here instructions to open up your camera app on your phone and just hover it over these links. It'll come up where you can just click it. It takes it right to it. Super easy, guys, okay? So this first one is for our Facebook group. One of the most helpful tools that we provide you is a Facebook group here, guys. So for each program, we start a new Facebook group. We encourage you to join it. It is where that we communicate with you. You can communicate with us there. We'll share any information that comes up along the program for you, and you can share with us your pictures or how you do things with other quilters, communicate with other quilters in that group. Makes it very fun and more of a community style experience. Okay, and then we have other links here for our fabric keys. So if you're needing to know which of these fabrics is exactly what, that is the link there for you to figure that out. And then we have a subscription link. So if you want to subscribe to our newsletter, it lets you know when we have new Block of the Months coming out. If you're really enjoying your program that you're going through, you can go and look and get notifications for when we get new ones. And then the last link here is to update your billing. So say you move during the program and you need to update your billing information, that's where to do that. Or if you're just taking a summer vacation at your summer house and you want your blocks to go there instead. Then on the back, we have our store hours, our address, our phone number. So I did say that you could communicate with us on the Facebook group. You can also pick up the phone and call us. We're here for you all the time. We'll be here to answer your questions, or we'll get back with you if it's outside store hours. Okay, guys? So I just want to thank you so much for coming on this journey with us. If you've bought into Wanderer's Wife, we're so excited to have you. We thank you for doing this program with us, and you are the reason why we keep doing this, guys. Thank you so much. And if you missed out on this one, don't worry. We have lots of Block of the Month programs going every month. Get in on the next one, okay, guys? Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.